Ang ganda ng kwarto namin. No? Bukas kasal na ni SP at ni Jumar. Ngayon ay preparation. Dito kami sa City Walk. Yehe, ang primo boy busy. 5 AM na guys. Dito kami sa kapilang kwarto. Start na ng make-upan. Wawa naman ang primo boy. Tulog pa. 5:41 na guys. Puntahan natin ngayon ang The Bride. Good morning, The Bride.
Ano oras na?
5:41. Tulog ka pa, tulog ka pa. Tsura ng The Bride. Bago ang puyat ng The Bride. Dahil ang dami nilang inaayos. Ang dami niyang piniliper kagabi. Dumadaling araw, halos walang tulog ang The Bride. Busy niyan. Kasama ba dito? Bumangon na rin agad. Back to work. Back to work si ate girl. Kasal pa more. Guys, andito yung groom natin. Nag-chill lang.
Ready to be stressed.
Ready to be stressed daw. Uling araw mo na ito ng pagiging single. Guys, silipin natin ang mga mag-ano sa entourage at si bride.
Video yan, boy.
Grabe.
Video ah.
Kumusta saan? Ang biyahe?
Ayos naman.
All goods?
Yes.
Ito ang ating insan galing pa sa Cavite. Kasama, kaya nga ito ginawa para sa'yo eh.
Parang dyan ka maganda yan.
Ito, nagpo-practice na yung mga ano natin, entourager. Ang tawag sa inyo, entourager. Di ba entourage? Entourager.
Interash.
Entourager dapat.
Interash kasi.
Ikaw, Peng, ikaw yung bridal shower. Guys, waiting kami sa entourage. Nagpa-practice ang ating mga pangmalalakasang dancer dito. Waiting na lang guys ang mga matutulog. Start na ng photoshoot. Ito na ang paligsahan namin dito guys. Pagandaan ng panaginip. Hey! Ayun na guys. Tapos na ang pictorial ng mga sleeping pogi.
Yes.
Tapos na ang pictorial ng mga sleeping pogi. Kakatapos lang ng ating photoshoot. Dito tayo sa room ng family member ng bride. This is the father. And this is the godfather. And this is the
Brother.
the brother. The brother. This is, ay sorry sister. Sorry Timina. Here is the cousins. Video lang po. Ito na mga men in black guys. Wow. Men in black. Nag-shoot na tayo guys. Yan. Ayan ang mother ni Jumar and stepfather. Nag-shoot tayo. This is his little brother and also little brother but much bigger than her. Than him. Aray ko. Papa-English tayo guys. So guys, we have a friend here from Sweden. It's Daniel. His birthday is yesterday. Yeah. It's so fun to have a friend foreigner like you. Yes. It's being so, what do you call that? So challenging for us to speak in English. Yeah. Oh yeah. But he can speak in, can you sample us Bisaya language?
What?
Anything words by in Bisaya?
Salamat.
Salamat. Salamat. Lasa tama. Pugi ah.
Congratulate mo siya, sir.
Guys, nasa room natin ang groom.
Yeah.
Nga, nakasilip.
Hey! First look.
Gigi!
Na first look ng... Na first look ng bridal shower.
Sana si Casey.
Sana.
Bilang aking nag-iisang asawa, sa harap ng Diyos,
Mahal, we have been through so many trials and challenges, but God has always been there at the center of our relationship.
you love me with patience, kindness, and a gentle heart, and little by little, God used your love to open my heart.
Bagong kasal, Mr. and Mrs. Jomar and Sarah Pearl D. Maglait. Mr. and Mrs. Maglait. Wala kang sigawan dyan! Ano ang sigaw? Isa pa! Okay, magharap kayo na ako, sir. Sir, you may now please your bride. Ang gagawin mo ba? Wala pa, hindi pa naman lumalapat eh. Sir, you may not kiss your bride. Kung ayaw, yun. Ay, ano yan? More! More ka, more! Ready, go! Sir po nagtatapos ang kasalang between Joma and SP. Congratulations to both of you. Congratulations to the parents. Congratulations to the parents. I'm so happy for...
Tapos ng tapos ng ceremony, kain na naman. So guys, so meron tayong mga pila-pila ditong foods. Mga tusok-tusok. Iba-iba. Bago tayo pupunta dun sa kainin sa reception. Reception tayo guys.
Para mas ma-enjoy natin, isa-isayin na natin yung magdadala ng saya. So, eto na.
Ang titindi, ang titindi.
Bukas, magkakamay na tayo niya.
Pero siempre tira un linking. Esa mañana pensando she likes me. Si te pega conmigo vamos a hacer twin.
Come on, palapag naman natin. Yo! Hey! One more time. Hey! Thank you very much. May pag ganun, siyempre at ito na ang kanilang piece. Okay, wow, grabe. Sabi sa inyo, di ba? Hindi pa pauli. And let's watch their pics. Ayun, no? Grabe, no? Kanina lang yan sila nag-practice yung mga yan. Hey! And syempre, papahuli pa sila sa pyesa. Let's watch them.
Kung kaya ikaw ang aking inibig, yan ay kusang na naman di ko pinilit. Sa katunayan nga kahit sa panaginip, laging naroon ka di maalis.
Oh, diba?
Don't just fight it, baby, it's there. You were dancing through the lightning strikes. Oh, so sleepless in the onyx night. But now the sky is open.
Free in these, so let it scream, let it shout, let them know what you're about. Keep it moving and grooving, don't leave a single doubt. But today is the day that the Lord has created. Why would I sit around just waiting? Let's have a celebration. It's time to clap our hands and stomp our feet. Let's have a celebration.
Oh, diba ang saya? Nabitin ba kayo?
Pray that she find you someday, but it's still hard to give her away. I loved her face, from the first breath she breathed, when she first smiled at me, I knew the love of a father. Someday you might know what I'm going through.
Kainan portion na guys.
Hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon
Yung si Peter Stamp,
magkakasundo.
nasa yun siya, no?
Pero ang isang maganda kapag ang ating Panginoon ay nasa gitna ninyo, magtatagumpay kayo.
Your parents and family. I tried so many times to push you away because I was unsure and afraid. Afraid that I wasn't ready for it. I wanted to run, but you stayed.